Now, one of our finishing touches for this project, besides adding a title, is going to be to add a visual filter. This particular image right here that you see in the viewer of these tractors is one that I like to highlight to show that the over farming and overuse of the land has been very detrimental to the black-footed ferret population. So if I tap this image, you see the tools that pop out from below. This is where we added our title, and just to the right of the title's little icon is a filters icon. And as I tap on each filter, I get a preview of what it will look like if I apply it to the image. Now, these filters can be great for a variety of uses, including adding a black and white filter to make an image look as if it was taken 100+ years ago when there were just black and white cameras. There's a lot of creative uses that you could use for this. I think I'm going to choose vintage because I like how it gives it almost a Martian style look to that particular image. Now tap anywhere in the timeline in the gray area to get out of that little menu. And now as I scrub my playhead, I see that it has that vintage filter which sort of gives it the Martian effect. You can do that with each image, but for me and my purpose, I always try to be intentional, or I guess I always am intentional with every editing decision I make. That's something you want to emphasize with your students, that every choice should have a purpose and they should be able to articulate what that purpose is. They shouldn't just add a bunch of filters because it looks cool. It should have an impact on the story that they're trying to tell with their iMovie project. So that is how you can add a visual filter to your project.